Hey everybody, if you haven't seen me before, my name's Ben. I'm the manager of the Lizard Juice Seminole location. I've been vaping for 5 years now, after smoking for 5. I just kind of wanted to sit down and talk with you guys today about, what's going on in the media. On October 4th, Michigan and New York enacted full-on flavor bans. So basically what this means is you are no longer allowed to buy any non-tobacco flavored e-juice. They had some discussions about menthol too. That's still kind of up in the air. Just recently, a couple days ago, Michigan did get that ban lifted, but it's still kind of in courts. I think the state's trying to appeal it to the Supreme Court as of making this video. So that's kind of the crazy part about this, is things can happen so quickly and in the blink of an eye. We want you to be ready for it, and we want you to be prepared, and we want you to be knowledgeable on what's actually going on here. The majority of all these deaths, that's been happening in the last few months have nothing to do with vaping. The FDA has already come out and admitted they know what the issue is. However, that's, not getting a lot of coverage, at least from what I've seen. There's black market, street level, THC cartridges being consumed that have a chemical in it called vitamin E acetate. When you vape this, it will mess up your lungs, and that's what these people are going to the hospital for. Again, nothing to do with vape juice. You should only have 4 ingredients in your vape juice. You've got propylene glycol, vegetable glycerin, flavoring, and nicotine. That's it. There's nothing else. There never has been anything else. There never will be anything else. I've had the opportunity to speak with people who have come into my store in the last several weeks with a lot of questions and concerns on, what's going on, what's actually happening, and, I've been talking with them, telling them, really what I've been saying in this video, but there's more stuff that you can do too. There are petitions out there on whitehouse.gov, which we can link at the bottom of this video. There's an easy petition to sign up. There's several 100,000 people that have already signed this vape ban petition. It literally takes 2 minutes. All you need is an email that you can access, and you can put your name on that petition too. You can call your local senators and your congressmen. You can even call the White House directly and explain to them why vaping and why flavored e-juice has helped save your life and helped you quit smoking and choose a better life for yourself. The last thing that you can do is our subscribe and save program. So this is a custom tailored monthly subscription where you can get juice, coils, anything you need shipped directly to your house. You can customize it every month. It's very convenient. And on top of that, for doing that subscribe and save, you're going to save 10% on your order every month for as long as you continue it. There's no commitment to it. You can cancel anytime. Super convenient, super easy to use. I highly recommend it. Even if we do get a flavor ban, that's going to be the last thing that goes. You can be assured of that. Now, at Lizard Juice, we're not happy about this vape ban, and you shouldn't be either. I'm a vapor. I love my flavors. This is just flat out wrong that they're taking misinformation with these people getting sick off these cartridges, and they're taking it as an opportunity to totally attack the vaping industry when there's absolutely no cause for it. I've been working here for about 3 years now. I've had many people come in, and they've all shared, their unique stories with me about how vaping has changed their life. And in a lot of those cases, flavors is what actually helped them quit. It's opinion, but several people have said that, the tobacco flavors are just too similar to a cigarette, and that makes them crave that cigarette more. So that vaping a fruit flavor or a candy flavor has actually helped them separate from that addiction. So the best thing you can do, like I said, sign that petition, talk to people. The key thing here, educating. They don't tell you everything. They sensationalize the headlines. The best thing to do, share, get that correct information and just talk about it. You know, we're not the bad guys here, and you deserve to be heard. You know, people need to know what the real story is, so that they can get the whole story. We got a power here to make change with our voices, and we all deserve to be heard.